Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by locking in essentials and making the first corrective action. Get your stance and ball position dialed so your head isn't compensating for balance. Once set, find a comfortable spot on your neck and jaw to feel minimal movement. This becomes your anchor. Then make a deliberate half-shoulder turn, keeping your eyes steady on the target area. Practice this small motion until your head feels like it's riding with the shoulders, not leading or chasing the club. Now you'll progress into the middle of the process, controlled full swings that preserve head position. Make the shoulder turn the primary driver. As you rotate fully, keep the head centered over the same spot. Use an alignment rod across your shoulders to sense rotation and ensure the rod moves with the torso, not the head. Do 10 slow swings at 60 to 70% speed, concentrating on shoulder-led motion and steady eye contact. Once consistent, gradually increase tempo, but maintain that same shoulder-first sequencing. You'll finish by locking the new pattern into your full swing and validating it. Complete each swing with a balanced hold for 2 to 3 seconds and check that your head remains centered over your original spot. If you notice creeping movement, immediately step back to the half-turn drill and perform 5 controlled tempo swings to reset the motor pattern. Make sure to use video or a mirror once per practice session so you can see what your head is doing. Visual feedback speeds correction and prevents reverting to old habits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.